Wellness is a trillion-dollar industry, and if you want to make the money you deserve, you need to stand out. What if I told you that there's a method, already proven, that you could implement right away that would give you the opportunity to capture your piece of that trillion-dollar industry? We've been able to certify over 1,500 wellness leaders in the past 10 years, completely changing their lives.
My CJT training continues to be one of the best investments in my career as a health coach.
So many good things have been coming ever since we graduated this program. I can't stress enough. Our business it's just been booming.
Trust me, you will love it, you will not regret it, even if it's just for yourself, for your own wellness.
It was the best decision I ever made, teaching my family how to take care of themselves through the process of juicing.
The program showed to me how to promote a healthy lifestyle for each client I coach. I highly recommend enrolling in the Juice Guru certification program. This really is the perfect tool to help people all over the world to evolve to a better lifestyle.
Firstly, what I loved about the program was the quality of the instructors. There's so much you can do with juicing and with the program that, your imagination is the limit.
We've created a free training that you can have private and immediate access to right now. We're a school, so think of this as an open house for adults who want to grow a thriving business. We brought together over a dozen of the leading minds in juicing, wellness, and business building directly to you. And now you can become certified, take the guesswork out, have all the credibility you need lent to you so you can just plug right into it and soar in the wellness space. Go to juiceguruclass.com and sign up for immediate free access to this open house training.